Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where I'm not a chef, but I play as one on YouTube. Today we're going to make chorizo. We're going to start by adding 6 guajilos and 2 anchos into boiling hot water. We're going to let them sit and soak for 10 minutes. Take the peppers out of the pot. We're going to remove the seeds. Add them to the blender. And we're going to remove the stems too. We're going to take half a cup of the water the peppers we're soaking in and add it to the blender. 2 cloves of garlic. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ground paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now we're going to blend it till smooth. And don't forget to add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I didn't have apple cider vinegar, so I'm using 1/4 cup of regular white vinegar. And blend till smooth. To a bowl, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. You can use ground pork if you like. I prefer beef chorizo. We're going to take our pepper paste we've made. Add it to the bowl. Then get in there and mix it with your hands. Then we're going to stick it in a container. We're going to let it marinate for at least 6 hours and up to 2 days in the fridge. You can use that in a number of things. You can make breakfast burritos, one of my favorite things to use it for. Or for a future video, we're going to do chorizo burgers. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.